Hi guys, I'm back. And my name is Liana Gloria. Oh my god. So I'm making this slime to be stretched, more stretched than this. Yeah, this pink, yeah. And we got this thing. Yeah, it's so good. I'm going to make it. So let's just set this up. You know what? Just in here. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm going to mix this up. So it's so pretty. So I'm going to make this more stretchier than this and fluffier. This is just too small. Yeah, of course. So I have measuring spoon. Yes. Oh my god, did you hear that? So it's too noisy because my uncle and my bad friends are drinking again. So that's the way. If you want to see, I'm just gonna do that. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. So I'm going to do this, and I'm gonna put it in the measuring spoon. Yeah. So I'm going to put this in here. So, oh my god. You can just look, look how it is. It's too shiny. Well, now I'm going to do it. So let's do it. Come on. So I'm gonna put this in here with a water with this water. Yeah. So I'm gonna just mix it and mix it. Okay. If you're Filipino, if you're watching this and you're a Filipina or a Filipino, just say masarap or mahal ka and say kamusta ka like that. It means hi, kamusta, and thank you means salamat means thank you. So coming for the part two. Mwah! Love you all, y'all.